Hello, this is GATE 2020 paper. Topic is analog electronics related to operational amplifiers. So look at the question. So for this question, what is the 3 dB frequency? What is 3 dB frequency means? The frequency at which the gain will be reduced by AM by root 2 times. So already in my previous videos I explained different definitions of 3 dB frequency. You go through it once, refer that. So you have to find out the 3 dB point. So if you see this circuit, always some unwanted components are also added here. So don't get confused. So if you apply the concepts and formulas, you can make it very easily. Okay, so normally directly also you can measure it if you know the filter, what type of filter it is. So it is a low pass filter. What is the cutoff frequency of low pass filter? Formula is there. Fc is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. Here R value is there, C value is there. You can substitute straight away. But sometimes in some tricky questions in coming exams they may ask. So how to solve the basic concepts? We'll go through it once. Okay. So first, let's see how to solve this problem. Okay. This is a operational amplifier. So if you know the basic concepts of operational amplifier, first you have to identify what type of feedback circuit it is. So the output is connected to the input of negative terminal inverting. So this is a negative feedback. So whenever in the operational amplifier is negative feedback, we will apply a virtual ground concept. Okay, so basing on the virtual ground concept, at this node non-inverting terminal is grounded. So at this node is also 0, the same potential due to virtual ground concept. So at this voltage is also 0, at this voltage is also 0. Okay, if you see this, the voltage across the capacitor, so this one is 0, means the current flowing to the capacitor is also 0. So this voltage is 0, the current flowing through the resistance is also 0. So no need to use these two components in the circuit. So you get it, modify the circuit with, you eliminate these two components and make it easy. So because of this virtual ground concept, you eliminate these two concepts, the modified circuit looks like this. So this is R1 input, you are connected to the inverting terminal. So this is non-inverting terminal, it is grounded, and this is the feedback loop R and C. Okay, so this feedback loop we can call it as a Z1 and this is the Z2. So how to find out the gain? 3 dB means the gain at which at what frequency the gain is reduced by AM by root 2. So we have to find out the gain for the circuit. So for that we measure the transfer characteristics. From that you can measure the gain of the circuit more easily. Okay, and so this is the feedback loop. This is Z1 and this is Z2. What is Z1? C is connected in parallel with the R. So what is Z1 is nothing but R by 1 plus SCR. Okay, so Z2 is equal to R1. So first one is this circuit, you have to simplify it and modify it because of applying a virtual ground concept. It becomes like this. So Z1 is at the feedback loop and Z2 is the input side. Okay, now identify what type of filter it is. So there are different types of filters. So identify what type of filter it is. So look at the circuit. First you have to identify what type of filter. So the basic concepts is here at frequency equal to 0. So this is the capacitive reactance. So what is the difference? Definition X is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. So at frequency F equal to 0, the capacitive reactance is infinity, means C is equal to open circuit. So C is open circuit. So this is open circuit. Okay, at frequency is infinity, Xc is inversely proportional to 1 by 2 pi Fc. So C equal to 0. So to eliminate the C. At high frequencies, C is short circuited. At low frequencies, C is equal to, at high frequencies, C is equal to 0, means short circuit. So no capacitor. At low frequencies, capacitor is open circuited. So by the time this is the inverting amplifier, what is the gain? V0 equal to minus RF by R1. If you know the concept, V minus RF by R1 into VI. And when the frequency at 0, the output V0 equal to VI. At higher frequencies, the output voltage is 0. Means higher frequencies should not allow the circuit. Only it allows only lower frequencies. So by using this concept, we can say that the circuit is a low pass filter. Okay. So to find out the gain of the filter, we have to apply transfer function for Laplace transfer function. So here V naught S by output transfer function by input transfer function VIS by is nothing but Z2 minus, this is inverting, minus Z2 by Z1, that is 1 by 1 plus SCR. So in terms of J, V naught J omega by Vn J omega is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus J omega CR. So if you plot a frequency response for a low pass filter, so this is a frequency and this is the gain. So the gain is maximum, V naught equal to Vn. So at the gain is dropped down, at frequency we can call it as a cutoff frequency, that is Am by root 2. Okay, so it can take the modulus value gain equal to 1 by 1 plus omega c r square. So modulus Am gain equal to Am by root 2 at what frequency? At Fc, Am by root 2. So normally the maximum gain is Am equal to 1. Am equal to 1, the gain of the filter is Am by root 2. To substitute the value, so omega is equal to 1 by Rc. So Fc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Rc. So this is the cutoff frequency formula for low pass filter. So normally if you identify the low pass filter, you directly substitute the value, but in sometimes they may ask any other problem related to these filters. So the analysis is very, very important. That is the reason I solved this question. Okay, 1 by 2 pi Rc. R is nothing but 2 kilo ohms. C is 1 microfarad. So the right answer for this question is, substitute these values, 79.57 kilohertz. The cutoff frequency is nothing but 75.57 kilohertz. Okay. So directly if you identify the low pass filter, Fc, so because of this circuit you had to identify the low pass filter, F by 1 by 2 pi Rc, you substitute it. But these are the different concepts. So some may twist or sometimes they may ask some other points. So we have to know the basic concepts. Okay. So this is the way you have to solve the problem. So this is a GATE 2020 paper related to operational amplifier. Sometimes they may ask extra components in the circuit. So you apply the concepts and remove the unwanted elements, then you can make it simplify more easy. Okay. So for this question the gain is 79.57. 3 dB frequency is nothing but Fc is equal to 79.57 kilohertz. Okay. Thank you.